Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market today. In this episode, we're looking at the best Organic Roma Tomatoes Fresh, a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast or cooking aficionado. These tomatoes are known for their exceptional flavor and versatility. Let's unpack why they've earned the title of being the best. First off, what makes these Roma tomatoes so special? Well, they're organically grown, ensuring you're getting produce that's not only delicious but also free from harmful chemicals. Roma tomatoes are known for their meaty texture and low seed count, making them perfect for sauces, salads, and even for snacking. These tomatoes are not just any ordinary tomatoes. They're packed with nutrients like lycopene, which is great for heart health. Their firm texture holds up well in cooking, whether you're slow roasting them for a pasta sauce or simply slicing them for a caprese salad. Now, let's talk about how you can make the most out of these Roma tomatoes. One of my favorite ways to enjoy them is by roasting them with garlic, olive oil, and a sprinkle of herbs for a mouth-watering bruschetta topping. Alternatively, you can dice them up for a fresh salsa or blend them into a creamy tomato soup. Choosing these best organic Roma tomatoes fresh isn't just about great taste, it's also about supporting sustainable farming practices. By opting for organic produce, you're contributing to healthier ecosystems and supporting farmers who prioritize quality and sustainability. If you're interested in trying out these tomatoes for yourself, you can find them at your local farmer's market or organic grocery store. I'll also leave a link in the description below where you can check them out online. In conclusion, the best organic Roma tomatoes fresh are a kitchen staple that delivers on both taste and quality. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these tomatoes are sure to elevate your culinary creations. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!